The easiest way to get into Desire to Learn is to click on this little tab up here at the top of the home page. That tab actually is on every page in the website cncc.edu, so you can always click on that page to access your D2L. Here is the link on the left. Notice you can also access Crossroads, which we discussed in the previous tutorial. And right here is where we'll click on Desire to Learn. If you watched the previous tutorial on Crossroads, you will know that D2L can be accessed through the Crossroads portal. But in this instance, we are using a direct link. The username is the same username and password that you would use for Crossroads. So just go ahead and enter that in. Once you log into D2L, you will notice that you will see the home page of D2L. To access your courses, you can click on this mini bar at the top of the page. Now please know, as a student, you will not be able to access your courses until the first day of class for the semester. But you can see here, you should see a list of all the classes that you are enrolled in. Once you're ready to go to a class, you should be aware of this OMG D2L class. This class is a good tutorial for how to navigate through D2L. Right here on the content section is where most of the information exists on your class. Content is a good place to go to find course syllabi, to find assignments, to find PowerPoints the instructor might have given, and to find information on different assignments in your course. As you can see in the OMG D2L class, you have a series of modules that you can take at your convenience to learn D2L. Here's a module on basics, a module on content, a module on discussions, Dropbox, and so forth and so on. The other important thing to know about D2L is that this is where you can check your grades. So if you click on grades in D2L, you will see what your grades are in that particular class. You'll see what assignments are coming up and how to access those assignments. Finally, up here on the right-hand side is the email in D2L. Please know that the email in D2L is specific to D2L and it does not communicate with your student email account. A good way to think of this email is think of it as a way of communicating with you, the instructor, and your classmates in any class that you're enrolled in at CNCC. Now this is just an introduction to D2L and some of the features in D2L. In the training for the virtual classroom, we will go over all of this in more detail, but we wanted to give you a little brief introduction on how to use D2L at Colorado Northwestern Community College.